I'm Morgan Crook from Ventex, and hopefully y'all looked at an earlier video of how to use Channel Bond, how to apply it under normal circumstances. There are a couple cases with different kinds of trim cap that you want to change your technique just a little bit. This piece is set up and it's just regular 1-inch arrow trim, okay? There are some trim caps that don't have this much overlap onto the face, and if that's the case, what you want to do after the rest of this is dry, as this one is come back and run a very small bead right across the front of here. Just like that. This will dry so it won't run in about 45 seconds or so, so there's not much, you don't have to hold it for a long time. But in this case, in fact, even now you can see that it's not running down the face of it or anything like that, so you can get to the other edge. But making sure that front lip is glued on there on the sections where that doesn't overlap very much on the face can be very helpful. The other type of trim cap you need to change your technique for is when you've got deeper cap here, which gives it a longer lever that you could break the thing off. We'd already run the first pass in here when we had it angled back, so you got the glue all along the bottom, along the back edge of that, like you're supposed to. We'd come back with the second pass for a fillet, but when you've got a really deep part here or on a really, really big letter, you're going to want to come back and do a second or third fillet in here, which just means like this. That would be a nice second pass. This, again, this dries in about 30 seconds or so. You can go through the rest of your letters and come back, and once this is dry, maybe even run a third pass back in there. You're adding to the fillet there, making that joint a whole lot stronger, and that ought to give you great performance in big channel letters or really tall trim. So hopefully between the first video and the second video, you'll have great luck using this product. Thank you very much. Bye.